You can't build a building without the proper foundations. This is a very important episode. If you're a marketer or you are a business owner that you're trying to leverage social media platforms to try to get attention, you need to pay attention because I'm going to show you the basics of what Facebook calls the business suite, also known as the business manager. Let me tell you all about it. The business suite, how do you access it? First and foremost, you go to business.facebook.com. When you go to it, it's gonna ask you for login. You're gonna be able to log in with your Facebook account. If you don't have one, well, you gotta create one because otherwise you cannot have a business suite so you can advertise. You can create one that you never use, but you still have to create a Facebook profile in order to access your business suite. When you go to the Facebook suite, the business suite, it really is that. It's a suite of options inside. When you log in and you see your first window here, this is the first screen that you see on the Facebook Business Manager, you see your ad account performance. For example, you can see how much it spent on the last 7 days, or you can break it down. For example, I can go and I can say, how much money did I spend last month on these accounts? 400 on this one, 1,200 here, 19,000 on this one, 14,000 here, and it goes on and on. I have over 100 accounts on this particular business manager. So you can see we have over 100 brands in one business manager. And then we got the pages here. Manuel Suarez, Dan Henry, Damon John, Frank Suarez, 𝗟𝗘𝗥𝗡 USA, and so on, right? People that I get to work with here every day, trying to get them more sales, more expansion, more revenue, more branding, more leads, more all of it. We have them over here. So you connect your pages, you connect your ad accounts, you connect your assets, your pixels on your websites, all that stuff goes inside. There is one section over here at the bottom. I'm gonna click on settings over here. Once I click on settings, it opens up this window here in which I get to see everything that we have on the business manager. For example, we have people. These are all the people that work on the accounts. The ones that have this little thing right here, this symbol here, these guys are admins of your business manager. They have a lot of control. They are actually the ones that you generally trust the most across your business. So you have people over here, and then, for example, I have over 100 people in here. And you see, we can keep going down the list, but we only have a few admins of the overall account, right? So people that we actually get to trust more than all the other ones. We also have partners. Are when you are engaging with a partner, with an agency or with somebody else, you make them a partner to your business manager and you give them access to certain assets. That's something that you can do inside the business manager. You also have users. We're not going to get into that one right now. Pages. These are all the pages that we have access to right here. It's a lot of them. Whoa, keep going out, keep going down, keep going down. These are the pages that we manage here at AGM Marketing, and we do all kinds of things for every single day. Ad accounts. These are exactly what they sound like. These are accounts to advertise. We have accounts over here of all the clients. And for example, if I click on, let me just enter over here one of our top brands, my personal brand, it's called 𝗟𝗘𝗔𝗥𝗡. I'm gonna enter the information here, natural, I type it in, and now I have the information about who are the people working on the account. Do I have any partners on the account? Do I have any connected assets to the account? And I can see over here the ad account ID, and I can click on this button over here that says Ads Manager. Once I click on the button, so Ads Manager, I can click on that one and it takes me straight to the advertising side of things where I'm actually advertising every single day. So I have all these campaigns over here. And what do I do at this point? Well, I can hit create and it asks me to start creating a campaign. What do I want to do? I want to generate more branding. I want to get more traffic. I want to get people to engage with our brand. I want to get people to watch the videos like this one over here. I want to generate leads. I want people to send me messages, and I can start creating a campaign. So I'm going to talk about this on a future video. I have talked about this before. So again, if you guys are watching here for the first time, thank you very much for being here. Please subscribe, please connect with us, and I'm gonna keep on providing as much value as possible so you understand how to use these platforms today. So we have campaigns that are created here. This is called an ad account. So if I go over here where it says campaigns at the top, over here at the top, campaigns, I can click on this drop-down menu and you can see that I can switch from one account to the other one. For example, I can go and switch to, boom, the Damon John account. This is an account that we use for right now branding Damon John's videos. And I can see over here that we're doing a video test in which we're advertising some of Damon's videos, and I can look at every single details of that campaign. 8 tips to launch a business. It's a video that we're promoting over here. So that right there is the ad account that we're using to advertise. All right, so now going back to the business manager, I'm gonna wrap this up very shortly, but I wanted to show you some of the most important basics on this particular business manager area. So you can see here we have Instagram accounts connected. Why is this important? Because we are able to advertise on both Facebook and Instagram at the same time with one single creative and one single asset, which means that when we advertise, when we create one campaign, we have the ability to reach the over 1 billion people on Instagram, plus the ability to reach the over 2 billion people on Facebook, all with one single marketing campaign. So when you go over here, you can connect your Instagram accounts directly if you have the username and the password, which means that you can now advertise with them. You can even connect your WhatsApp accounts and so on. There's very important things here. For example, if you look at payment methods, you can have one payment method for the entire business manager, or every single ad account can have its own payment method, which is what I recommend the most. That's the way we do it. As you can see here, we have no payment method for the entire business manager because we have a lot of individual brands and every brand has their own payment method. So this is basically the most important thing that you need to understand, because when you set this up correctly, you'll be able to now get going with the account campaign creation process. Whenever I log in and I type in business.facebook.com, it lands me on this main page. I can go ahead and change the business manager. You can have more than one business manager. You can be a partner to other business managers also. I'm selecting this one over here. And now I am at the center of all the action across all the ad accounts, across all the Facebook pages, all the Instagram profiles, all the people that are working on my business, on my brand, on my agency. It all happens through this particular site over here. Facebook takes the cake when it comes to an advertising product. I have been riding the Facebook wave for many years, and I still believe there's an opportunity. I have seen the stock value rise from $13 just about 10 years ago to now a $380 stock and still going strong. There's a reason why it's growing so much, and it's because they have mastered the art of capturing attention better than anybody else out there. And you, as a small business owner, as a marketer, as a marketing in charge, whatever the post may be in your case, have the ability to now utilize this for yourself and your brand so you can capture more attention, generate more revenue for your e-commerce brand, and actually increase your lead flow overall. All right, so hopefully that provided a lot of value. Those are the basics of the business manager. And please let me know in the comments if you enjoyed it, if you have another question. We will use your questions to create more content and we'll keep you moving forward. Keep on working on becoming a marketing ninja, and I will see you on the next episode. If you're enjoying this content, please go ahead and subscribe. Help me comment below and let me know if you have any questions about marketing. And I'm on a mission to help as many of you as possible conquer the marketing world. So help me out. Subscribe, hit that button, hit that bell, get notified. We're going heavy with content in this 2021 year and beyond. Go ahead and subscribe right now.